So in this case, we have our clips on the timeline arranged. I'm done with this. So the next thing is I have recorded a voiceover, as you can see in the library. So in the media library here, I'm going to bring the voiceover into the timeline. Okay, just brought it now here. Good, that's good. Okay, so the next thing is I'm going to use it to create my captions, which is what I'm going to do. You need to go up to the menu and select captions. Of course, it's on auto caption. If you want single language, then you select the language you want to create the captions for. But in a situation where you need two different languages, that's bilingual, then you select one, and I mean you select two languages. Like in this case, I'm going to do for two. And basically, whatever it is that I have succeeded in doing for the two is the same thing if it is one. So you apply the same principle. Okay, so I'm going for English and Arabic. So I select English here, and here I select Arabic. Where you don't need to, then you select none here, so that it's only going to be English. Okay, you generate your caption, but because I want to demonstrate, I'm leaving two languages, English and Arabic. So I'm going to create the captions. So I'll hit the generate. Beautiful, the two captions have been generated. Great. So what I'm going to see is the two captions. Let me. One of the most mysterious and feared elements of Brazilian celebration. All right. Now we have seen the caption, just that it's not quite visible. So we need to work on it to make it more visible. I've now selected the first caption, which is the Arabic caption, and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Let me okay. Let me just keep it font size 13. Okay, and all right. I'm giving it a background, a black background, which I have done. Then having done this, I think I need to bring it down a little from the screen, on the screen rather. Yes. So the next thing is to select the second. Yes, this is the second caption, which is the English caption. It also requires that I give it a good, okay, let me give it a black background. I think that would be great too. Beautiful. The color, yes, the color of the text is red and the background is black. That's for English. I also need to bring the caption down a bit, and that would be great. Good. So I think for now I'm done. But the English, of course, let me reduce the font size to 8. Okay, remember this is a vertical video. Guys, let's see the two things. It's the masquerade procession. Okay. The masquerades covered in elaborate and often intimidating costumes are accompanied by dancers who wear whips. Say good. See, that's quite interesting. Basically, this is all you need if you really want to create captions, and there is nothing more. So, if it is just one language, all you need to do, you go through the same process, but all you need to do is the captions. You spoken languages you create. I mean, you just you select one language, and that's all you need. If you select that language, create or hit the generate button, and it's going to generate your caption successfully. Don't forget, you need to go through it so that you check. Sometimes the spellings might be wrong. So where there are wrong spellings, then you correct it. Let me just select one and see. Okay, okay. So these are the things. Assuming this one is faulty, mean one of the spelling is wrong. You come to this place and maybe select those the specific word that is faulty or that is not properly spelled and correct the spelling. That's all, guys. Thank you. If you really enjoy one or two things here, I hope you'll subscribe. Have a nice day. Till next time.